Nespresso Vertuo is a gourmet coffee range that uses an innovative blend-specific brewing technology called centrifusion. With a simple touch of the button, the capsule begins to rotate, allowing the machine to read the barcode on its rim and automatically calibrate the perfect brewing parameters for that particular blend. As the water infuses the coffee grounds, the rotating capsule reaches a speed of 7,000 RPM, and the centrifugal force gently brews the coffee, extracting its full aroma and forming the perfect crema every time. What's more, your Vertuo capsules are easily recycled. Discover our highly sophisticated Vertuo machines for every cup size. Placing an order is easy. Simply visit our boutiques or order online 24/7 and enjoy fast delivery to your chosen address. Nespresso, what else?